Hey friends, if you want to increase the Google Chrome downloading speed and you want to fix Google Chrome slow downloading on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So, Google Chrome slow downloading, this could be very annoying, especially if your favorite browser is Google Chrome and you enjoy match browsing on it. So let's go quick into the process. First is we need to bring up and open our Google Chrome browser. So in the Windows search bar, type Chrome. Google Chrome will appear under the best match. Then go ahead and click that. Now here in the Google Chrome window, in the search bar, type here CHROME colon // flags. It's CHROME colon / flags and hit on enter. Now in the search bar, another bar will appear, which is search flags. Type here parallel. Now parallel downloading will be available. Enabling parallel downloading, this will accelerate the download speed for your Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, Android, and Lacros. So what you'll have to do, click on this drop down menu and then choose enabled. So if you are in default and disabled, change that to enabled. Once done, click on this three dots at the top right corner. Then click on extensions, manage extensions. You also need to remove unnecessary and problematic extensions. In my case, I don't have any extensions. In your case, if you have any problematic and unnecessary extensions, then go ahead and remove that extensions from your Google Chrome browser. And once again, click on these three dots, scroll down and click on settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Then click on privacy and security, that's under the autofill and passwords, the one with a shield symbol. Then in the list of options, click on security, safe browsing, protection from dangerous sites, and other security settings. Scroll down and you will find this use secure DNS. Make it harder for people with access to your internet traffic to see which sites you visit. Chrome uses a secure connection to look up a site's IP address and a DNS, which is domain name system. Now you have to select the DNS provider. Now here you have two choices that will really work for you. It is the Google's public DNS and the Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. So you can choose either Google or the Cloudflare. Now once done, still on the left pane, click on System, that's under Accessibility. Continue running background apps when available Chrome is closed. If this is enabled, make sure this is disabled. Use graphics acceleration when available. Make sure to switch this button on. Once done, close your Google Chrome window. Then press the Windows key and R button together. The Run window will appear and type here ncpa.cpl. It's ncpa.cpl and click on OK. Then here in the network connections window, you need to locate your Wi-Fi or the connection that you are connected to. So if you're connected to Ethernet and Wi-Fi, then the process is just the same. Make a right click and then select Properties. Now here in the Wi-Fi properties or Ethernet properties, click on the Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Click on that. Then click on Properties again. Now here in the IPv4 properties, you have to click on this Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. We are going to use the Google's public DNS or the Google's DNS server addresses. Alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK and then close all these windows. Then In the Windows search bar, you need to type CMD. We are going to open the command prompt to run a command, and in the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Now here you need to type ipconfig space / flush DNS. It's ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit on enter. Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache, type exit, and then hit enter again. And then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. And once you have restarted your Windows, launch your Google Chrome application, and this time try to see the difference. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.